Hey everybody, it is birdie cleaning day today. And I don't mean I'm actually going to be cleaning the birds, well, I guess a little bit, but what I'm actually doing is I'm going to be cleaning their room and cleaning their cages because they are cute and they are adorable, but they can make one heck of a mess. And I'm going to show you a little bit of that mess and some of the tricks and things that I do to try to keep the room as clean as possible, keep their cages clean, because a clean cage equals a happy bird and also a happy me because, nobody needs to see all that mess. All right, let's get to cleaning. And I don't want you to think that this is from like weeks and weeks of neglect. This can happen overnight. It can happen really fast. And we're just looking at a couple of feathers from Ripley because she's been molting lately. And we've got bits and pieces from her toys. We've got her toys up here that she likes to chew and rip apart. We've also got a couple of shells, looks like, from some nuts. We've got some bits and pieces, just food that, while she's eating, food drops because she has a beak and she doesn't have cheeks. So when she gets a mouthful of food, sometimes bits and pieces fall. And so, yeah, got to get to cleaning all this. I'm also going to show you something that we built. This over here. Sorry for all the mess, we're just getting started cleaning. So back here, and I'm going to show you more of this later, we built this by hand from parts that we got from the Home Depot, which is just a piece of wood, a couple other pieces of wood, a couple of bolts, and that is butcher paper. So we got some great big long butcher paper, a whole bunch of it. You can get a huge roll of it for pretty cheap. I want to say it's like 350 feet of paper for about $25. And that butcher paper comes right down at the bottom of all of our cages. So what we're going to do later, once we get some of these cages out of here, we're going to be cleaning the cages, we're going to be cleaning the stands. We're going to take some scissors and we're going to cut right along there, wrap all this up to throw it away, sweep, mop, and then drag out the new. So right now it is hot and muggy and kind of cloudy, kind of not cloudy, pretty much a typical Michigan summer. And there are a lot of tools that you can use to clean a bird cage, and they sell a bunch of them, like specialty hook brushes and things that you can put on a perch. But by far, the absolute best tool you can use to clean a bird cage is the power washer. This is my weapon of choice. And it's an absolute game changer, and I'm going to show you why. But if it's the summer, or if it's just warm enough to be outside, this is absolutely what you want to use. In the wintertime, I've got a different tool that I use that's fantastic on the bird cages. It's a steamer, and I'll show you that when it's actually time to do that. So you'll find that in another video. But for now, it's power washer time. So the good news about bird poop is it doesn't really have a smell. Like, it doesn't stink the way that like poop from another animal might smell. The bad news is because of their extremely high metabolisms, they poop a lot. They poop often, and when that poop dries, it is kind of like cement. This is one of Dante's favorite stands. It's usually where he eats, and yep, that's also where he poops. So I'm gonna have to clean all that. A lot of these toys and things like the ropes and such, you can just leave them right on there and just power wash them with the rest of the stand. There's no reason to take them off. The water's not gonna hurt them. And that's it. Now I'm gonna let them sit out here in the sun to dry, and then I'm gonna bring them back inside. We're done. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Did I do all right? I think they like it. I think I like it too. That's it. That's a day of cleaning. It actually only took about an hour. Something that used to take all day long, and now it takes about an hour to finish. That's it. We'll see y'all later. Bye now. Bye.